Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and today's video is gonna be my September Boxyluxe. Alright beauties, so if you are unfamiliar with the Boxyluxe, it is a quarterly subscription, kind of in addition to the standard BOXYCHARM, and it is $50. You are supposed to get like 7 to 8 full-size makeup and beauty items. It is hands down one of my all-time favorite boxes. So I am going to be switching things up with my BOXYCHARM unboxings here on my channel. Typically you guys know that I unbox, kind of go through pricing and detailing, yay or nay as far as if I will use an item or not. And then as the month progresses, I kind of update you guys, or I will use those products that I did choose to keep in future videos. However, I feel like sometimes I forget to kind of come back to those products. I forget to update you guys. And I really want to be better about that. So now what I'm going to do is kind of unbox prior to filming, still not getting any spoilers, still being surprised, but go ahead and unbox prior to filming. And then as I'm kind of doing the walkthrough, the talk through, I will do a little demo. So let me scoot. And I will put up a little demo of me actually using the products so that you guys know, are they good? Are they not any good? Maybe if you didn't get your box yet, this can give you an idea of, hey, should I keep this product? Should I not? So I tried as much as I possibly could on my face, and you guys will see that. You guys will see the unboxing portion right here. I will go ahead and say prior to getting in, fantastic box. Absolutely worth the $50. And yes, I am wearing gloss. And we'll get to that soon. So I'm going to first and foremost let you guys know this is BOXYCHARM Glam Vibes only. And we will go through deets. I did also get version number 22. So I will let you guys know deets, pricing, what everything is, what I decided to keep, what I'm not going to be keeping, what I liked, and what I didn't like. So hopefully you guys like this idea. Of course, it's not my own idea. Thousands of people have done it in this way. But I like the idea of doing this versus kind of forgetting about my BOXYCHARM items and forgetting to update you guys. So let me know how you like this versus me just doing a standard unboxing. Alright, so let's get on with the deets, shall we? So first up, I tested out the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum. This is an overnight solid serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms so you wake up to visibly bouncier, smoother, more refreshed looking skin. And that is $36, and it was a full size. You will see off tops, I didn't realize how far I had to screw it up to take the little protective cap off. That was on me. I've only had a couple little minis of the Milk products, and I haven't tried anything other than those, and those two I didn't care for. So surprisingly and shockingly, I really do love this product thus far. It smells beautiful, smells very light, like a calming, like lilac or lavender type of scent to it. It felt really cooling. It did feel really nice, and my skin does feel great. No irritation, no redness or anything like that thus far. So far so good. And I will also update y'all as the month progresses on that. But I really do like that, and I'm looking forward to testing it on an overnight type of basis. Next up, we went in with the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Light up where you want, when you want, with weightless, long wear, cream to powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into the skin and blend with almost zero effort. 100% agree. I absolutely love it. And I did get the one that has Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. First of all, the packaging is absolutely stunning. It looks beautiful on the skin, as you will see. I love the color combination together. I think if you have very, very fair skin, this is not going to work for you. So hopefully you got a shade that does work for you. I do like, again, that it says it has a more kind of daytime friendly, subtle lit from within type of a highlight on one side, and then the in your face wham bam thank you ma'am on the other side. But they correspond beautifully together. I love this product. I will 100% be using this product. Okay, so next up, and I used this brush, as you will see in the demo, the Pure Cosmetics brushes, so we'll talk about those. So next up was the The Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. That's a mouthful. Woo! With a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. And the retail's $49. Okay, packaging, super, super cute. As you would have seen when I first unboxed it, love it. Y'all know favorite colors. Pink over here, okay, pink and yellow. The brush I use for the highlight, I will use this particular brush again. It did apply really nicely. It did kind of grasp onto the product and stuff like that, and I really liked it. I will say they feel cheap, you guys. I would not, if this was $19.99, I would say okay, but for them to say this is a $50 set, I would never in a million years pay that for this. I do like the way they look aesthetically, but to me, they just feel, they feel cheap. I'm so sorry. I will say that the bristles do feel soft. I do like the actual length of the handles, and it was comfortable to hold. So this particular brush I liked, and then you will kind of see my thoughts as we get into the eyeshadow portion. So next up was the Hip Dot Zion Eyeshadow Palette, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural, sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, fantastic, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. And that is a suggested retail of $30. I would pay $50 for this palette. You will see me using it, of course. The brushes, you guys, I don't like them. I'm so sorry. I kept all the rest of them in their packaging. I'll probably keep the actual container and toss these into a swap sister box or an RAK or, you know, a giveaway or something like that. They just feel chintzy to me, you guys. I'm so very sorry. The two that I did use, even, this one feels really, really stiff. Actually, they both kind of did. And again, I feel like there's just no weight to them. So I personally will not use these again. Again, I do like the highlighter one that I used, but I kind of had a hard time even with just a couple that I did try to use. So the brushes are a no, sadly. I'm very, very sorry. But this palette, y'all, like I said, I would pay $50 for it. First of all, aesthetically, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I love the marbled kind of effect. I love the gold. It is kind of raised up a little bit. The color story in here is gorgeous. It's beautiful for fall, I think, especially. Of course, summertime too, with kind of the oranges and stuff. It blended out beautifully. There was a little bit of fallout, but nothing that got onto my face or anything like that. You guys know that doesn't bother me. I did put up just a few swatches for you guys on this. I think it is stunning. The color payoff is gorgeous. I mean, they blended like an absolute dream. So yeah, and the metallics, they're gorgeous. So I highly recommend this palette. I will 100% be getting use out of this, and I love it. So I'm excited to actually try more from Hip Dot. I'm pretty sure this is the first thing I've ever tried. So very exciting. Next up was the Persona Gloss that you will obviously see. The Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. Remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? You don't want to ask me that question, girl, okay? Because we know I don't like lip gloss. Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery goopiness, truth, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable, high shine formula that you will actually want to wear. I agree. And that is $16. Would 100% recommend. I will wear this. I will use it. There is no tack. You would have obviously seen in the try-on portion. There is no tack to it. It does have a beautiful high shine. There are very tiny, I hope I can get close enough. There are very, very tiny, like micro shimmers in there, you guys. But you don't actually really see it on the lips. It just looks like this beautiful kind of lit from within little glow. I also love that there's a slight bit of opacity to it. Like you can actually tell that this is a nude and it didn't go on so super sheer that you're not going to see anything. It is very comfortable. It smells good. Okay. Fat girl approved. Okay. I love it. I will use it. And you guys know for me to say I love a gloss and will use it. It's a good gloss. Okay. Especially for $16. I think that's a fantastic price point. Next up, we have our Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate, and I've used this in the past. I love it so much. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, and I think we're done with the try-on stuff, so let me hop my little ass back in frame. So, the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Kate's signature super facial exfoliates dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore-perfected skin in just 2 minutes. By clearing away dead skin cells, this holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen, making every product and ingredient that follows more effective. And this is $85. Before anybody says, holy shit, that's a lot. It is. But I will say it is an incredible, incredible product. I will also say, for me personally, having more sensitive skin, the very first time I used this, I did have a little bit of a reaction, quite a bit of tingling, and quite a bit of redness. Some tingling and some redness is pretty normal for this type of product, but I will say if you're looking for something that really exfoliates nicely but is not as aggressive, I recommend the Dr. Brandt one. That is my other holy grail one, but this is a beautiful product, you guys. Works well. Again, kind of less is more, and keep it on for less than 2 minutes when you first start if you have sensitive skin. But I feel like it works beautifully, and it is absolutely worth the $85. Also, you're only using this 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your skin type. So I feel like they also last a very long time. Then, last but certainly not least in this package was the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. There are 5 masks in here, and I'm very excited about that. So that is the 111 Skin Rose Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It is a 5-pack. The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance-boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion, and the price is $135. Oh my word. Look, that thing better smack my ass and call me purty. Okay. We will try those. You guys will hopefully see that in next Sunday's Self-Care Sunday video, but I'm really excited to try it. I've tried a couple of little mini samples of 111 Skin. It is not a brand that I am super familiar with, but I'm really excited about it. And then last, actually in the box, not gonna use this, but there's nothing wrong with it. And this is the Kitsch Ice Roller. And this ice roller is your new at-home facial, made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use, and it's $18. The only reason I'm not going to hold on to this is because I have a jade roller and like the little weird-looking tool, and I use those. So I love this. I think it's cool. It retails for $18 if I didn't say that. I think it's a really cool product. I think things like this are super beneficial, especially to kind of keep our collagen and elastin and all that kind of stuff looking like healthy and plump and delicious in our skin. Okay, especially as we get old. So I'm going to add everything up, and I will put the complete total right here. So again, we had our Kate Somerville, our Hip Dot palette, our Persona lip gloss, impressed, okay, Fenty Beauty highlight, love. The Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum, very exciting. You guys instantly, you would have seen it was super glowy. I did feel like my skin felt nice. It was cooling. It was refreshing. It smelled beautiful. Very excited about that. The Pure Brush Set. Very sorry, but I'm not going to be using that. Then we had the 111 Skin masks and the Kitsch Ice Roller. So I will put the full price right here. Again, we only paid $50 for this box. I'm going to tell you right now, honestly, with just the palette and the highlight, I would be happy. And again, there's nothing wrong with the brushes. I'm not saying that they're absolutely horrible quality. They are just not my personal preference for a brush. I like a brush that is slightly more weighted, and kind of more densely packed. So it's just a personal preference, not saying, hey, they're shitty. I definitely would not pay $50 for them. So I'm really, really happy with my box overall. Definitely worth the $50. And let me know again, guys, if you guys like this kind of way of doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. And that's it. I'm going to get up close and personal. I'm going to wish you adieu. If you have not yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you are notified of any future uploads. And don't forget about that tiny join button down there so that you can become a dreamer and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!